Welcome to the channel. This day I bring you a home tour where you can find a design where symmetry stands out. See how it places two armchairs or two chairs, which help create a cozy atmosphere. No matter if it is in the living room, dining room, kitchen, or bedroom, follow your style with personality. Enjoy this home tour of Grace's house. Designing with symmetry gives more harmony to the decoration because it creates a sense of balance and order. When elements are mirrored or repeated on both sides of a central axis, it creates a sense of stability and equilibrium. This sense of balance is pleasing to the eye and creates a feeling of unity and coherence in the design. Symmetry also helps to create a focal point and draw attention to certain elements in the space. Overall, designing with symmetry helps to create a sense of calm, order, and beauty in a space. Follow the decorator's tips to decorate your home with symmetry. One, start by dividing the room into equal halves or sections, either horizontally or vertically. If it's the living room, it starts at the fireplace. 2. Use matching furniture pieces on either side of a room to create balance and symmetry. 3. Hang artwork or mirrors in pairs or in a symmetrical pattern on either side of a focal point, such as a fireplace or window. 4. Choose matching or complementary colors and patterns for textiles, such as curtains, rugs, and throw pillows, to maintain a sense of symmetry in the room. 5. Place identical or similar accessories, such as lamps, vases, or plants, on either side of a mantel or shelf to create a cohesive look. 6. Consider using symmetrical lighting fixtures, such as matching sconces or pendant lights, to add balance to a room. 7. Keep the overall layout and flow of the room symmetrical by arranging furniture and decor in a balanced and harmonious way. 8. Remember that symmetry doesn't have to be perfectly mirrored on each side of a room. It can also be achieved through the use of similar shapes, sizes, and visual weight. Simple ideas to achieve symmetry in a dining room is to use a mirror as an axis, a display case, or a decoration of decorative plates on the wall that will stand out in the design even if the dining table is an attractive design according to you. If you have a house with a sloped roof and a central axis, the space gives you the idea of where you should start dividing the space. In the kitchen, cabinets are almost always placed on the sides of the cooktop because the symmetry also helps make it functional and practical. In the bedroom, the headboard of the bed is the piece of furniture that is taken as the axis in the symmetrical design. Although the nightstands are not the same, the weight of the elements must be similar. Without forgetting the decoration of the walls, pictures, curtains, closets. How many examples did you see in this home tour?